Google fights back. Will recent court ruling change your online experience? In a bold response to a recent ruling from a U.S. federal court, Google is raising alarms about how this decision could reshape the way you interact with its products. The tech giant argues that the ruling, which stems from an antitrust lawsuit, could make it harder for users to access Google Search, their go-to option, by forcing them to use other search engines like Bing or Yahoo. This isn't just a minor inconvenience, it could significantly impact your online experience. The court's decision, issued by U.S. District Judge Leonie Brinkema, claims that Google's parent company, Alphabet, has been engaging in illegal monopolistic practices in the online advertising space. According to the ruling, Google has been stifling competition by preventing other companies from entering the ad market, which could ultimately hurt consumers, the economy, and America's technological leadership. Google is particularly concerned about the implications for user privacy and security. The company warns that if forced to share user data with unknown third parties, your personal information could be at risk of misuse. This is a serious concern in an age where data privacy is paramount. As the new trial kicks off today, April 21st, Google is making its case that this ruling could have far-reaching consequences. The company argues that it would not only disrupt the seamless integration of its services but also hinder its ability to innovate, especially in the rapidly evolving field of AI technologies like ChatGPT and DeepSeek. One of the most alarming aspects of the ruling is the potential requirement for Google to stop paying phone manufacturers and browsers, like Mozilla, to keep Google Search as the default option. This could lead to a scenario where users are forced to pay for services that were previously free, all while complicating their access to the search engine they prefer. Moreover, the Department of Justice, DOJ, is pushing for Google to separate its Chrome browser from Android and even sell it off, which could disrupt the user-friendly ecosystem that Google has built over the years. Such changes could not only harm businesses that rely on these platforms but also compromise the security and privacy of users. Google is adamant that this ruling could hamstring its ability to develop AI technologies and impose government oversight on how it designs and develops its products. The stakes are high, and the implications of this ruling could fundamentally alter how you interact with Google and its suite of services. As the trial unfolds, Google is prepared to appeal the decision, hoping to find a way to mitigate the impact of this judgment. If the company fails, we could see a significant shift in the online landscape, affecting not just Google but also the way you navigate the internet. Stay tuned as we follow this developing story and its potential impact on your digital life.